Okay, so this lightning talk actually is developed from one of the recent research project, which was also presented yesterday at the academic sections. And I was able to conduct in-depth interviews and to hear about those practice of professionals share knowledge across national linguistic and cultural boundaries. And I was able to conduct in-depth interviews with professionals, particularly in this open free source software community, and to hear about their experience and perspectives. And based on the interview data, I conducted semantic analysis, use the software of MAXQDA, and here generate the research model which conceptualize those major findings. So I'll spend a minute to talk about the main findings and some practical implications to share here. So basically, this model describes a dynamic process that knowledge actors, which is defined as professionals as well as those task-oriented teams. So those knowledge actors was able to engage in knowledge transfer practice across different types of knowledge boundaries. And in particular, I was able to identify a type of knowledge boundary, which is pragmatic boundary, with a feature of highest degree of novelty. And the research findings also demonstrate some social and contextual factors that impact the knowledge transfer of those knowledge actors across pragmatic boundaries. So for instance, some of those contextual and social factors include that those knowledge actors was able to create a shared context with those shared understanding and assumptions such as professionalism in order to facilitate the knowledge transfer across those knowledge boundaries. And particularly, I also looked at the communication mechanism and how the recent development of the AI-assisted language tools and how those tools actually help and facilitate the knowledge transfer of those professionals. And to look at a bigger picture, for the knowledge community, I was also able to identify two particular features. One is permeable boundaries, as we see professionals and knowledge actors constantly to shift among those different task-oriented teams, and also some members change their memberships. And another feature is task independency, which is a feature of this knowledge community as well. So what does those research model and insights inform the practice? And here are some practical implications I'd like to share. So from this particular research, there are several insights to inform how to move forward and to build a sustainable community culture. And first, the research insights actually highlights that the importance of communication mechanism and its impact on members' commitment and identification with the community. Particular members are working at different geographic locations from different cultural and linguistic background. So it's important to emphasize and to see what are those factors to motivate and drive those professionals to fully engage and commit to the knowledge sharing practice. And the second implication is the research insights actually suggest the need to establish an effective process with shared communication tools to accommodate the novelty of knowledge boundaries. And the third insight from the research findings is the understanding of boundaries actually helps the community members to better collaborate and engage in knowledge sharing practice and collectively contribute to the sustainable community culture. And it also suggests to establish the necessary protocols.